Hey guys, welcome back to Zachus. I've got a brand new video for you. It's all about things for men, of course. One of my biggest videos has been shocking to me, but I'm so grateful to you guys. It's all the soap videos for men. Soap 1 and especially Soap 2 has just been huge. And so I've been working on a third one because you guys have been asking for some updates, and of course that was 3 years ago or 2.5 years ago, something like that, and I've tried a whole bunch more soaps since then. A lot of those soaps in that Soap 2 and especially in Soap 1, I don't use at all anymore. Duke Cannon is a big one that I do not like anymore. It's very mushy and soft and too over-scented and too big, and I know a lot of you guys like that, so if you like it, great. I don't care for it, and I've tried a variety of their stuff. They are coming out though with a ton of men products, especially at Target and Bed Bath & Beyond and places that sell them. You can get a lot of their products, shampoo, powders for down there, creams for down there, all kinds of stuff for your hair, stuff for your face, soaps, and a whole lot more. It's just really becoming a big space in the market, things for men. And so if you like Duke Cannon, you know, I do like their powders for down there. I do like some of their creams for down there. I just don't care for their soap. And so I've featured them in several videos here, and you know, they're a great company. They're made in the USA, and I still think they're a great company. I just don't care for them myself. And of course, like Dove and stuff like that, they were great beginner soaps for men, but they just really don't cut it anymore. Dr. Sasquatch is kind of over for me. I didn't really care for them at all, and I know some of you have had trouble with them. And I was gonna do a whole nother video. That's what I've been working on, is like all the different soaps and using them and talking about them all again. But the truth is, over the last 6 months, I've used one bar of soap. Well, not one bar of soap, one kind of bar of soap every month. It comes in the mail to me. It's on a subscription now because I love it so much, and I just don't really like anything else. I mean, I finally found my soap, and so I just can't recommend anything else. Like, I know there's a ton of options, especially at Target. If you have an updated Super Target, they have a whole men's section now, and they have all kinds of different soaps for men. And go for it, try them. There's tons of stuff on Amazon, of course, and I'll put some links down in the description for the stuff I've tried. And of course, you know, all over the internet there's stuff. There's all kinds of niche markets, and then bigger brands like Duke Cannon that are coming out with bigger stuff, more stuff. And so there's a lot of stuff out there for guys, and that's a great thing, because for a long time we were neglected, and we just, you know, you just use Selsun Blue or Dove shampoo and Dove soap or whatever your wife or girlfriend got you. That's what you use. And now it's kind of like, wait a minute, there's some stuff for me, for my body type, for working hard and sweating and stuff, and the way I need to be clean. The only soap that I can recommend or will recommend right now is Beast. And it's from a company that it's called Tame the Beast, and I don't even remember how I found them, but in my research and searching online and stuff, they came on, and I've tried a bunch of products from them, actually, stuff for down there. They have some great stuff for down there, some tingly stuff that really feels great. They have a lot of shampoos and a bunch of stuff just for men, some great stuff. And so why do I love this bar so much? Well, first I started dabbling with sponges and loofahs and rags and ways to get soap and some scrub work, you know, in for cleaning. And one of my videos I showed you, Cannon's got a thing where you stick the bar in, and it's actually like a loofah with the bar soap in it, and it's kind of 2-in-1, and that worked great. But then Duke Cannon got all mushy and it got all cruddy, and I had to throw it all away. And so I went looking again, and I started trying what a lot of women use is scrub bars. And so this is one of the ones I tried. I tried a bunch of them, and this one just was my favorite. The smell is amazing. The it lasts. A lot of you commented, oh, I love Dr. Squash, or I love this, but it doesn't last very long. This is a block of soap. It's not as big as Buchanan, but it's a block of soap. And it lasts me a month. And I take a shower at least once a day, usually more than once a day. And it is a block of soap. And so after a couple of buys, I was like, it's only $12 if you put it on subscription, which is pretty cheap for one block of soap a month. And it just comes in the mail. And what I did is I bought one and then put one on subscription, so every month I get a backup, basically. Like right now, I just got this in the mail today, and I've already got a new box upstairs that I'm fixing to start for February, because my January one lasts me a little longer because of the holidays and stuff. And so this will be a backup, so I'm never without soap, because I don't want to run out of a bar and then not have one. So that's kind of my plan. And if you click the link down in the description below, you'll get a deal, because they've given me a deal, so I pass that on to you guys. And you can read more information and check out the great company, super fabulous customer service, super amazing fast shipping. They run sales, they give deals. They're just a great startup, and they're constantly adding new stuff that you can try. I don't use their shampoos and stuff. I only use their soaps and their cream for down there. You can check out that video at the end of the video. I did a video about all stuff for the lower regions, you know, of the man area that need to be taken care of too, for itching and burning and just feeling good and all that stuff. So check out that video. I'll put a link down in the description too for that. But they do have a great cream lotions for down there, but I don't even use that all the time, because I also use Fresh Balls, which is also mentioned in that video, and I use some other stuff, some Buchanan powder, and I use a different kind of shampoo, which I'm going to do a whole nother video on shampoo for men, but I use Monet, and it's really, really good. It's my favorite out of all the ones I've tried. And I've tried cheap brands and medium and all the way up to pretty expensive brands like Monet. And so check out that video, a little plug there for that. But if you're really, really serious and you're really looking for the bar soap, this is the perfect combination. I can't find something better. Like, it has the scrub bar, which is rough for men. It scrubs your skin like a rag would. That's what I like. It's also got an amazing scent. It's not overpowering. It's not super manly, but it's not girly either. It's just that perfect scent that you're looking for to feel clean. And it's not greasy or oily and leaves you like feeling all lotiony. It doesn't leave you dry. And I've used it, like I said, for 6 months now, every month. I haven't bought little travel bars to take with me. That's how much I like this soap. They sell little ones that you can put in your travel bag, and that's what I do. So that's pretty much it. I know you guys wanted some big, huge video of all the different soaps and seeing me try them, and I may still do that. I may still do a soaps 3 that's like all the soaps laid out, and I'm still debating about that, so comment below if you really want that. But right now I just feel like, why make you watch this long video again about all these soaps when I know this is the one you're going to love? And you just got to click the link down in the description below, and you will, I promise you, you're going to be commenting saying, I love this bar, I'm ordering it again, I'm on a subscription because this is it. This is the bar. And it's called the Beast Blue Crisp Scent. I love their branding too, and it's all about men. It's just all about men. Hey guys, I just want to give you a quick bonus tip that I didn't shoot in the original video. I wanted to tell you about this soap saver that I found. You can get it at Whole Foods and Amazon, of course, because Whole Foods and Amazon are together now. And I'll put a link down in the description below. But I wanted to tell you about it because I love it. It's really saved me and made the soap last longer. So, and it's super cheap. Pick it up, it lasts forever. All my family is using it now, and it really works, and it's really cool. You just set your soap on top of it, and It just keeps it from getting all mushy and stuff. Now, it didn't work with Buchanan. It still got mushy, and it might not work with like Dove and stuff, but most soaps, especially the soap I'm recommending in this video, it keeps it dry, keeps it lasting longer. So check that out. They even sent me a box in the mail with one of the products I ordered that roars. And everything's about beast and being a beast, but listen. See, it still roars. It's so cool. They actually put, I don't know if you can see it. Let me get all this out. They actually put like a electronic thing in there. It's crazy. And this is what I ordered from them. It's a bottle. And you can put anything in it. It's pretty big too. So you can put shampoo in it or whatever you want. And it comes with this pump. And then they also sent me, because they just stick free stuff in their boxes all the time. Like today I got my soap and I got a free travel tingle shampoo. And then they sent me, on this one they sent me a little travel, let me get this out. They sent me a little travel bottle too. They sent it free in the box. And so you can see how the different sizes. So you can stick that in your travel case, take some of their shampoo with you if you like their shampoo or whatever shampoo you like. And then they also stuck in Tame the Beast for the beard and body wash. And then they always stick in some free stickers for things that look really cool. And so it's just a great company. I'm not a huge fan of their shampoo. I'm going to tell you all about that in another video, but this video is about soap for men. I'm telling you, you're going to love me for checking this out. And if you want a Soaps 3 with the whole big spread again, just hit that link, just hit the comments below and let me know about that. If you're not a subscriber to Zackus, please hit that subscribe button. We need your support and we appreciate it. It's free to do so, cancel at any time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you. And I can't wait to see your beautiful face again in the next video. Until then, have a beautiful day. Peace.